What is up, YouTube? So I just finished filming a short which will probably go up at some point today, and it talks about some roof leaks I had in here, which is very sad, very depressing. I don't really get to talk about any of the reasoning behind it, but more or less I climbed up on the ladder and I found cracks in my roof, which obviously is not a good thing. So in a panic between rainstorms, I ended up shooting spray foam about 8 inches up it, and I'm about to climb up on the roof again to file it back, probably paint it, and then re-silicone over those cracks because I'm terrified of it happening again. I don't really know why it did, but I did shoot another 100 screws into the roof in hopes that it won't crack anymore. But in better news than that, I started painting the walls in here a little bit. So I threw the name up, I know it's backwards for you guys, but incognito. And then I decided to just do whatever my heart felt creative that day. On top of that, I installed the switch up here, which controls the fan up there. And that fan is way more powerful than the fan I've been using, which is awesome. And the last thing I installed is outside a little bit, which is just a solar light. Lights up you coming inside, a little bit around the area. Super, super cool stuff. Hopefully, though, the roof leaks are taken care of. And in today's video, we decided to take on another new grind trick, which is fakey nose grind. So let's jump into that.
Like a Hellcat.